Hello again.
What's up, bros?
I got one string from that dungeon.
Ooh, hey, we're back.
Hey.
Hey, I'm 100% check to make sure I'm recording. Very
I
cool.
have so many books too, so I'd be in such a good state right now if I had
If I had just
enchants.
found diamonds, yeah.
Yeah. Like, I have 31 books. I found diamonds! Okay.
Ask and you shall receive.
It was 2. I mean, it's better than nothing,
You
but
didn't
come
specify how many diamonds you wanted.
on. That is completely true. Okay, game. Can I find an 10 vein of diamonds, please?
No.
Well, now you're asking for too much. You're not gonna get shit.
Okay, game. Can I have a 4 vein of diamonds?
Oh, it's too late to go back, pal. You're gonna get a 3 vein now.
Oh, darn it.
So yeah, I'm about to die.
Wait, what? Are you fighting?
Oh shit. That scared me.
Heck. Ah, rip. Delfino's at 53.
Yeah, keep that number in your head.
What, 53?
Yeah, we both fought. I just want to talk to you after the round.
Okay.
Alright, guys, it was real fun.
I just see a
I don't want to
name.
spoil anything.
The last attempt of this, I was so lucky in the caves, but this time around, I'm just not.
So to answer your question, Sin, yes, I will be available for Jake's private game.
Out of you.
Because I'm dead.
Are you really?
Yeah, I died.
Are you really? I don't believe you.
So let's see, what time is it at? It's at 8? Okay. Like, even if I don't do well in rounds, I still have fun in them, and I'm, like, glad that people let me play.
Yeah.
Where did
I-
Ross go?
Get food, probably.
Poke spamming him.
Why? Why?
Okay, well if my target's around now, they'll know I'm here because I just blew up a creeper.
I'm gonna start poke spamming Ross now that he muted again.
Buddy disconnected from your channel.
Oh, there he goes.
Who's your target, Griffin?
I don't know. We don't know our targets.
Got it.
I will say that I think that Delphina is a pretty nice person. Now that I don't know, just from that encounter.
Yeah.
Should I just listen to TikToks while you're recording?
Yes, get me copyright striked.
Sounds like a good idea.
That little sound you just played is gonna get my entire channel taken down, don't worry.
That's so good. That's good.
Alright, I think I should actually probably make my channel right now, shouldn't I?
Nah. Why would you need to do that? Oh, there's a person here. It's CJ. He's half diamond enchanted, I'm dead. I killed him! Oh my god.
What did he have?
I wasn't even his target. Or, he wasn't my target, I mean. I got nothing from that at all. He was half diamond enchanted.
And what were you?
Full iron.
Unenchanted?
Yeah. I kinda obby trapped him a bit, but he got out. Oh my god.
Damn, that's gonna be I'm looking forward to watching that. One time.
Oh my god. He's not even upset about being obvied. Oh my god.
Well, I mean, here's the deal. I mean, we're playing these rounds for fun, so if you get upset, then I don't really see the point in you playing the rounds.
Good thing I grabbed that lava earlier. Holy crap.
Shit, I realized I could have watched it.
Okay, I'm recording. Good. That was insane.
Oh, I see where this obsidian was.
Where'd my coal go? Oh, I had it in that other furnace. Hey, I can make a bow now. Kinda sucks that I don't get anything from that kill, though.
Yeah, like
What do you get if you kill your target?
All their
all
stuff.
their stuff.
But if you
didn't
kill
get
someone
any of
who
the
isn't your
stuff?
target, you don't get anything. Yeah.
Why'd he attack you?
I must have been his target.
Oh. That's dumb. You should get their stuff if they were your target and you killed them. Or you were his target and you killed him.
That would make sense.
It would.
But, I don't know. It's still interesting.
Yeah.
Monica died to final. I really hope I'm able to get enchanted. Wait, does this mean I'm no one's target now?
I think so.
Alex, do you know?
I think that's how it works, actually. Yeah.
Okay. I still have a target, though. Yeah. Thank you.
No problem.
Hey Higgy, wanna sponsor me some diamonds?
Yeah, do you want 3?
Yeah.
You got Y11?
Yeah.
Dig 3 blocks to your left.
It's air.
Go to the wall to your left, then dig.
Okay.
There was stone, right?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Always looking out for me.
I'm a true one, I'm a real one.
Exactly. Oh, wait. Okay.
Oh,
Hey.
I watched that fight. Didn't think it was how it was gonna go.
Oh.
It was really funny though.
That's
when he
good.
Sneaking up on the other. Typically, if you're the one sneaking up on somebody, you typically win the fight, but that's just not how it's been this game.
And really, I would have been completely dead, and he could have backstabbed me. But I heard spiders, and I wanted to go back and try to kill them for string. And I F5'd around the corner, and I saw him. So I should have been completely dead there. But that was so lucky. If I hadn't heard those spiders, I wouldn't have bothered checking, and then I wouldn't have known.
Zenith is Brink.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. All these like past rounds, I've been like, who is this guy? I was like, I've never seen him before, and all of a sudden he's everywhere.
It's the account of an old Reddit player.
Ah.
It's a really cool name, though, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
My game is going great. Thanks for asking.
Is it?
Excuse me, Sin, I have a
That's good.
concern.
What is your concern, Gay?
You haven't named a character after me yet in Sins.
You're right.
And Sins.
I am right, so you need to do it.
I just
Debatable.
dug back into a cave
What do
I've
you
been in
mean?
already,
I
unfortunate.
mean, debatable.
Fine, can you please make a really ugly character and name him Keith then?
You're ugly
There's
enough.
only 8 people left, and it's episode 3.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Gotta be right back, guys.